Jagannath. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Neesan Study Corner with an important science concept grouping of autotrophs. This comes under chapter Diversity in Living World. So don't be late and start today's video. आप लोग मुझे एक सिंपल बात बताओ, आपके स्टडी टेबल पर हापाजाड़ मैनर पे बुक्स, नोटबुक्स सब रखा हुआ है। आपके मामा ने बोला मुझे साइंस बुक दो। 1 मिनट बाद बोला मुझे सोशल साइंस का नोटबुक चाहिए। आपको बुक्स, नोट्स बुक्स सब ढूंढने में बहुत समय लग जाएगा। कैसे आपको जल्दी से ये सब चीज मिलेगा बताओ। अगर आप बुक्स, नोटबुक्स, वर्कबुक, सैम्पल पेपर्स सब सही तरह से अरेंज करके रखेंगे तो इजीली कम टाइम में सही चीज मिल जाएगा। So today's topic is based on arranging plants according to their stem, leaves, roots, seeds, all these. तो शुरू करें? तो चलो प्लांट्स के बारे में जानते हैं। ये प्लांट्स एक तरह का लिविंग क्रिएचर है जिनका शरीर बहुत सारे सेल से बना है। वे खुद अपना खाना बनाते हैं लेकिन चल नहीं पाते हैं। Generally, plants are the autotrophs. अगर ऑटोट्रोफ को स्प्लिट करेंगे तो ऑटो मीन्स सेल्फ एंड ट्रोफ मीन्स न्यूट्रिशन और फीडिंग। एस तो पता है ना, प्लूरल नंबर को समझाता है। तो ऑटोट्रोफ्स आर द ऑर्गेनिजम्स दैट मेक देयर ओन फूड। अंडरस्टूड? प्लांट्स आर क्लासिफाइड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर स्टेम एज ट्री, श्रब्स, हर्ब्स, क्लाइंबर्स एंड क्रीपर्स. Let's know one by one. Trees. Some plants grow really tall, having hard, thick and brown woody stems. Their branches typically start higher up in the stem and away from the ground. These plants are called trees. Mango, neem, banyan, jamun, palm, sandalwood and coconut. All these are examples of trees. If I talk about shrubs, some plants are not as tall as trees. They have many brown woody stems that start branching close to the ground. These stems are hard but not as thick as the stem of a tree. These plants are called shrubs. Croton, lemon, tulsi, roach, all these are examples of shrubs. समझ में आया? What are herbs? Some plants are typically small with soft green stems. These are known as herbs. Wheat, paddy, cabbage, tomato, mustard, sunflower, all these are examples of herbs. Know about climbers. Climbers are the plants with weak stems, need support to climb and grow. Sweet gourd, bitter gourd, bottle gourd, all these are examples of climbers. They need support to climb. But there are some weak stemmed plants also which creep along the ground. These are called creepers. Strawberry, watermelon, pumpkin and sweet potatoes, all these are examples of creepers. Sometimes plants are also classified according to the leaf structure. Do you know leaves? Leaves are the food factory or kitchen house of the plant. These are designed to be the best food production site for the plant. It is usually flattened green outgrowth from the stem of a vascular plant. If we see it, the veins are seen. The thickest vein goes in the middle of the leaf is known as midrib. The pattern of the veins in the blade of a leaf is called venation. मतलब जो अरेंजमेंट है ना वेन का लीफ के अंदर, उसे वेनेशन कहा जाता है. Remember, the veins are important for transport of food and water. These are of two types. One is parallel venation, another is reticulate venation. In parallel venation, veins are parallel to each other. But in reticulate venation, veins are net-like on both sides of the midrib. Grains, grass, rice plant have leaf with parallel venation. But there are some plants like hibiscus, papaya, coriander, mango. All these have reticulate venation in the leaves. Now move towards and know how the plants are classified according to their roots. Roots are divided into many smaller projections starting from primary root in search of water. These are of two types. One is taproot, another is fibrous root. In taproot system, the roots of this plant consist of one main root and small side roots arising from it. The main root is called taproot. And in fibrous roots, the roots of this plant appear as a bunch of similar sized thin roots arising from the base of the stem. Such roots are called fibrous roots. This is a plant which have taproot system. But wheat, maize, grass, all these plants possess fibrous roots. Understood? You just remember one important concept. Plants having fibrous roots have parallel venation, but plants having taproot have reticulate venation. Wheat is a plant having fibrous root and parallel venation, whereas chickpea is a plant having taproot and reticulate venation. Understood? Do you know seeds are also responsible for classification of plants? आओ चलो देखते हैं. The seed is the embryo stage of plant's life cycle. If I talk about cotyledon, a cotyledon is the embryonic leaf inside a seed. Seed के अंदर embryonic stage पे जो leaf होता है वही cotyledon होता है. When the seed germinates, it is the very fast leaf-like structure to emerge. Plants are divided into two major groups based on number of cotyledons in their seed. One is monocot, another is dicot. In monocot plants, seeds possess only one cotyledon, whereas in dicot plants, seeds possess two cotyledons. Maize seed is a monocot seed, but chickpea seed is a dicot seed. Do you observe any relation among the seed of a plant, type of a root, and leaf venation? Yes, there is a strong relationship among them. Remember that monocot plants have fibrous roots having parallel venation, but dicot plants have taproot with reticulate venation. Understood? Now you can have clear idea about how to group plants. In the next class, we will focus about grouping of animals. That's all for today. Thanks a lot for being a part of this informative video. Please do like, share and subscribe to Neesan Study Corner for more study videos. For any queries, please comment me on the comment box. Till then, bye bye. Thank you.